This is Fuego, an active volcano in Guatemala. An active volcano has frequent activity. A dormant volcano has had activity recently but is not currently active. And an extinct volcano hasn't had activity in so long, people are unsure if it will ever be active again. There are two main types of volcanoes, composite and shield. Composite volcanoes have steep sides and are cone-shaped, while shield volcanoes have wide, gentle slopes. Magma is the term for molten rock within a volcano. Once it's outside of the volcano, it's called lava. Lava can reach temperatures of 1,250 degrees Celsius. That's equal to 2,282 degrees Fahrenheit.